All right, so we just got a package for the Rivian R1T. It's Evbase Sunshade, and we're gonna be installing it today. All right, so I'm gonna head over the package now. All right, not really much of a table here, so I'm just gonna rip this open if I can. We got the sunshade. We're at the back of the Rivian, and now we're gonna be opening the sunshade. Whoa, what is happening here? Oh, nice. Go get it out. So, whoa. Can't see me. So, it comes with a carrying pouch right here, as you saw, and it folds. Oh, whoa.
What do you think that's for?
The peel back.
Probably to put it in, yeah.
All right, so let's check if there's there's tools in here. Clips.
What do you got there?
They're clips. All right.
Well, we don't need to open up the bag yet.
So, this thing folds into the bag like this. And I'm not gonna try to put it in the bag because it's gonna be way too hard.
So it looks like that's how you fold it, huh?
Yeah. And so we're gonna cut into us and installing it inside the Rivian. All right, so now I show the camera over here. So you see this shiny piece right here, shiny piece, where that indicates that it's the front of this shade here. It's kind of weird to open. Oh my gosh. Now I just lost a piece, dang it. Oh, it's right there, I see it. Here, but we found this piece right here, and we're trying to fit it into this liner. We're just gonna have to fix up because see this, all of it's tucked in right here. But everywhere else is tucked in, but can't get tucked in right here. Okay, finally, progress back here. So this side comes down, but over here won't come down. Okay. Working, starting to work. I think it's in. Well, let's get this corner tucked in. Yeah. All right, so I think it's in.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. You had a bag of clips. Did that come into play?
No, it actually didn't. I didn't find a way where I could use it. I don't really think we needed them.
Yeah, it's kind of in there pretty tight, obviously, from the
Yeah.
video. Okay, your final thoughts on this?
Alright, it was very hard to get in, but I really think it's gonna be worth the time that I put in to getting it in. This side. There you go.
So let me ask you, what do you think of the fabric?
The fabric, it's pretty nice. I like the feeling of it.
Okay. I know you like to sleep in the back of the truck a lot. Do you think this will help?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Cool, cool. All right. Any last words for our viewers, or what do you think of this product from Evbase?
This is a really good product. I think you should check it out, and peace.
Peace.